Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on EPSXE PC. First, connect your PS4 controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, your PC should recognize the device. We'll then move on to installing any necessary drivers to ensure smooth operation and proper functionality within the emulator. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Next, we'll set up the essential software. Download and install DS4 Windows, a fantastic tool that helps your PC recognize the PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller. During installation, you might be prompted to install Xbox 360 controller drivers. Please do so. Finally, configure DS4 Windows to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which is often the easiest way for EPSXE to detect it. Now, let's configure EPSXE itself. Open the emulator and navigate to the controller settings menu. Select Pad 1 and choose a suitable plugin, such as LilyPad or EPSXE Joypad. This plugin allows EPSXE to communicate with your controller. Carefully map each button on your PS4 controller to its corresponding function within EPSXE, ensuring every input is correctly assigned for gameplay. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Launch an EPSXE game and verify that all your controller inputs are working as expected. If you encounter any issues, return to DS4 Windows to adjust sensitivity or dead zones. Sometimes, simply restarting EPSXE or even your entire PC can resolve minor glitches. Enjoy playing your favorite PlayStation games with your PS4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.